Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto E32s device, and I'm gonna show you how to set up caller ID announcement. So if you are like to work in earbuds and you don't know and you don't want to pick up your phone from your pants when someone calling you, because you just want to hear it in your ears if you are in earpods. So you just need to enable caller ID announcement. So just open phone application, click on the 3S button, click settings, scroll down, find your caller ID announcement, choose announce caller ID, and use only when using a headset, or if you want you can enable always mode. So that's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.